Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We are going to be reviewing and unboxing a Civivi Ortis Flipper knife. Stay tuned. Well, I hope you like that view. It is pretty, but it is cold. We had a snowstorm come through the other night and just spill about 3 inches of snow. Not a terrible snowstorm, but more than I was expecting. So a little background, I am not a knives expert. All I know is I need something everyday carry that I can use at work, at home, something that's lightweight, small, and cuts. That's what knives need to do, right? So today we're going to unbox and review our first impressions on this Civivi knife. Civivi makes great knives from what I hear. A lot of people rave about them. They got good reviews. Now, little background, I did have a Spyderco Tenacious. It went missing over the Christmas break and I have no idea where it went. I think the last time I used it was a video I was making out here and I've searched this entire garage. I have not found it. But I wanted to try a different brand this time just to kind of get my impressions on it. Of course, you know, I'm a budget knife guy. I don't spend hundreds of dollars on a knife that I could end up losing because knives are like sunglasses to me. I buy cheap ones, reasonably cheap ones that are decent quality because I always end up losing them. All right, y'all, let's get to it. All right, guys, let's get right on to it. Pretty standard box. Let's get right to the product. That's what you want to see, right? Okay, first off, we got a nice little nylon bag here for it, carrying bag. It's kind of nice. Got some stickers, it looks like. Those are kind of neat. Little cleaning cloth. That's a nice touch there. Let's see how big that is.
That's what she said.
Well, it's a pretty good size cleaning cloth. I like that. That's a nice add-in there. Let's move these out of the way. Wow. So here it is, the Civivi Ortis Flipper. This one's in the satin finish. Yeah, that is pretty sharp right out of the bag. Just a few things on this, guys. I may be reiterating myself or repeating myself, but I'm just going to go ahead and give you the skinny again. This knife costs about $40 on Amazon. It is considered a budget knife. But I mean, that's kind of a lot to pay for some people, but if you're looking for a good budget knife, I mean, this might be right up your alley. Because like I said, I lose them a lot. I mean, I want to spend something on a quality item, but I don't want it to be overkill. So a few things. We got a 3 1/4 inch blade with a total length of just under 7.5 inches. I believe it's 7.48. The weight is just under 3 ounces at 2.87. And I guess there are 2 ways to open this guy. One by the flipper that I showed you a little while ago. Push in here. So you got a nice big thumb hole, or you can use your flipper. Check that guy out. And yeah, compared to my Spyderco Tenacious, this thing is incredibly light. I mean, 2.87 ounces, that's over an ounce smaller than my Spyderco Tenacious. But man, look at the finish on that knife. It's just beautiful. Very nice. Now this is a fiberglass reinforced nylon for this handle. It's very, very, very nice on the hands. It's not rough in any spots. Nice clip here for on your belt or your pocket, which is where this is going to be most of the time when I do have it on me. Nice sharp edge on it right out of the box. That's some things with these knives. Some come right out of the box with a pretty dull blade on them, but this one looks like it could circumcise a gnat right out of the box. So the close, we're just going to push in down here, flip open. Very, very nice knife. I'm happy with my purchase so far. We're just going to have to EDC this thing, use it every day, and just see how it performs. But I tell you what, just from a looks and feel of this knife, it's incredibly nice, very well made, and I'm already a fan. Good stuff from Civivi. Well, everybody, that's gonna do it for the unboxing and knife review of the Civivi Ortis Flipper. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you out in some way. If you are carrying an EDC knife, let me know what is your weapon of choice. Leave it in the comments below. Please like this video and subscribe if you are new to the channel. It helps me out tremendously. There is a link in the description to where you could pick up one of these knives. Like I said, they're only about 40 bucks. They're pretty cheap. And it looks like it's gonna be a good EDC for me. All right, everybody. Thanks for checking out this video. I'll see you in the next one.